Hey guys, it's Jilla, and today I will be showing you, today I will be showing you how to get through the 4th grade or 5th or 6th. So let's get started. So first thing you are probably going to want to do is make sure you have all your school supplies. So if your teacher does not send it to you, then you should probably check on the school website. If not, your last year teacher or your other teacher before will probably have um a hopefully they will a list. So yeah, if you're a person like me, you probably don't want to, you know, just get all stressed out because I know that I had to go on the school website and find something because we had to go back to Walmart and buy a bunch of stuff because I was so stressed, and all I got was a notebook, a pen, like a couple of pencils, and then I got a folder, and that's all I got. So yeah, you just want to make sure that, and you want to make sure you pay attention in school because that's gonna, probably make sure you don't get all the bad grades and all that. So yeah, you really want to be paying attention, and you want to make sure that you you don't want to miss a lot of school days. I know that I just started this grade, so yeah. And if you guys saw my shirt, that's what you want to be in school. Unlimited. But yeah. And so then you also want to listen. A good listening tip: if you're sitting next to a friend that you probably would talk to a lot, I would tell the teacher to move me or move that person, or just make sure we get new seats. So yeah. And that's what you really want to do. And I'm spinning in my wheelchair. Yay! And yeah. So other things are, what's another thing? Oh, if you do not like the school lunches, I recommend you bring a little lunch. For the people who do bring lunches, bring a little lunch. And if you have leftovers from last night, just bring that. And I know I bring 3 snacks. So one's for snack, the 2 other ones are for lunch with the lunch that you have. But in my school, we can buy snacks or lunch we can buy. So yeah, and that's what you really want to do. You also want to make sure you get all your homework done. This is a very big problem that lots of people have. I know that I used to hand in my homeworks late, and sometimes I wouldn't read, and I wouldn't time it for 15 minutes, and then I would just forget about everything. And yeah, another tip is you probably want to get everything ready the night before school starts, like every night. That's what I do. So what I do is I plan out the lunch that I'm going to bring. Today I just had some pasta leftovers from yesterday, and I heated it up in the oven for about 3 minutes, which you're really not supposed to. But I just thought, hey, maybe it'll stay warm longer, and it actually did. It was cold, obviously. I did put it in for like 3 minutes, so yeah. And yeah, you want to make sure you have everything. I would check your backpack before, and if you do bring a phone to school, I would probably charge it overnight. And yeah. And if you are a person like me, you're running late, which normally that is not me, but sometimes, I will be late and I will be tardy. So, yeah, all you have to do is ask somebody if you missed the bus. I went to a core today, and yeah. but you just want to make sure your parents take you to school as soon as possible after you're ready. My school provides breakfast. In the 4th grade I did eat breakfast, but now I don't. I actually eat breakfast. Sometimes I won't naturally eat it, but you know, we have snack in a little bit, so yeah. And another tip is, what was the other tip? Oh my god, I just had it in my head. This is so hard. You have to make sure okay, so you can't hand over your lunch, and yeah. So those are some tips. Some other tips are, if you are not a person like me that likes to oh, okay, now I remember. If you don't hand in your homework, make sure you tell your teacher immediately. Now, the second thing, it's in my head now. Okay, so if you want to try out for this audition, whichever audition, or you want to get an instrument, and today, that's why I went in a car, because I wanted to bring in the paper early. That way I was able to go audition for that. And now I just have to audition, obviously. And yeah. And you really want to be there early, especially in an audition. You probably would learn that when you're big. Like if you're going to try out for something, you will probably do that. And yeah. So those are all my tips I use for all the grades I've been, pretty much. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys today, and I'll see you next time. Bye!